go to Azure subscription here, click on create a resource, and after that you can take SQL database, and you can take the database SQL database here. You can take that service as well. Click on create. Okay, here why the error is throwing here means you can create that database here. Okay, and already we have created the one resource, and I am taking new resource here, so that will be Azure database. Okay, Azure database 1230. Okay, a new database I have created, new resource group I have created corresponding this topic. Okay, so I need to create the database name. What is the query for creating the database, guys?
Create database name.
Yeah, create database name, so that database will be created over there, right? So I'm going to taking database name here, that will be the Azure database. Okay, so Azure database I have created. Now I need to create the server here. Okay, so I'm creating the new server name, so that will be the new server name, database Azure. Okay, so here the subscription ikkada chudandi, the location will be not accepted here. Why? Because this location will not have anything here, so you need to take another location, that will be the west. Already it is taken.
Server name is also used.
Yeah, I have taken different one.
Okay.
So you need to take the server name as not location name, west US2. This will be accepted only here. Okay, now next, after that you can take use SQL authentication. So you need to take the admin, so I am taking admin only. So after that, admin already taken, I think so. Okay, so after that so this password I'm going to taking. Okay, so after that click on OK. Next, these all are okay. Okay, in the deployment and production you can select any so all the this will be the new. Okay, and database server name, so this will be the new, and this will be, you can change into the development, and after that you can take a configuration database here. Okay, so here in this configuration database you can review it first. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ యూ కెన్ టేక్, అన్ని డిసేబుల్లో ఉన్నాయి ఎందుకంటే వీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ పేమెంట్ మెథడ్ హియర్. సో దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ నాట్ టేకింగ్, ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ఓన్లీ డిఫాల్ట్ వన్. యాక్చువల్గా ఏంటి అంటే ఇక్కడ మీరు తీసుకోవాల్సింది ఈ హైపర్ అనేది మనం తీసుకోవాలి. సో ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇది ఉంది కాబట్టి బేసిక్ వన్ తీసేసుకుంటున్నా, ఓకేనా. సో ఇన్ ద బేసిక్ వన్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ అండ్ ద మ్యాక్సిమం డేటా సైజ్ విల్ బి యాక్సెప్టెడ్ హియర్ 2 GB. ఇంత డేటాబేస్ అనేది మనకి ఇక్కడ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకి చేంజ్ అవుతుంది చూడండి, ఇంతవరకు మనకి యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తుంది అని చెప్పేసి చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, ఓకేనా. సో ఇట్ విల్ లైక్ దిస్ ఆల్సో. మనకి డిఫాల్ట్ సైజ్ అనేది ఇంతే తీసుకోండి ఇక్కడ, ఓకేనా. సో యూ కెన్ అప్లై ఇట్, ఓకే. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఇట్ షుడ్ బీ ఇన్ ఏ లోకల్ ఫార్మాట్ ఓన్లీ. Next, that's it, and you can review it and click it. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ నెట్వర్క్లో పబ్లిక్ అని పెట్టుకోండి. నో యాక్సెస్ అంటే ఏమవుతుంది అంటే, నో యాక్సెస్ అంటే మనం SQL క్వెరీ రాయలేం మ్యాక్స్ ఓవర్. సో పబ్లిక్ అని పెట్టుకోండి, యాక్సెస్ చేయొచ్చు, ఓకేనా. ఇట్ విల్ బి చేంజెస్ ఇన్ టు అలౌ ద యాక్సెస్ సర్వీస్ అండ్ రిసోర్సెస్ యాక్సెస్ దిస్ ఈజ్ సర్వర్. ఎస్కి చేంజ్ చేసుకోండి, నోలో కాదు. అండ్ క్లయింట్ IP అడ్రస్ కూడా యూ కెన్ చేంజ్ ఇన్ టు ఏ ఎస్ హియర్. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ it will be changes into default one only. Next, all the changes will be fine. Next, security also okay. Free trial not now, and these all are okay. And after that you can, yeah, that's it. That's it. So this all the details will be like that only, and click on create. So it will take some time. డిప్లాయ్మెంట్ ప్రాసెస్కి కొంచెం టైం తీసుకుంటుంది. యాక్చువల్గా అన్నిలాగా అయితే కాదు, ఇది ఫాస్ట్గా అయిపోదు. డేటాబేస్ కాబట్టి డిప్లాయ్మెంట్ టైంకి ఒక 1 minute అలా తీసుకుంటుంది. Status will be accepted. All the resource will be details here will be like here only. So it is deployment process.
Ma'am, do we have Python class?
No.
Okay.
So that's why I'm taking this much of extra class.
Okay.
Deployment is created successfully. Click on go to resource here, okay. In this go to resource, you can click on overview here. Okay, so see here, the database will be Azure database will be the name, and all the database will be the created here. So click on review here, and you can monitoring the graphs and all the things here. See the monitoring in the graphs, it is how it will actually the error retrieving the data will not available here. So here the 24 hours, so the data will be not available here actually. So aggregate functions will be like this. How many types of aggregate functions we have, guys?
5 times.
5 types.
5 types.
5 times.
Yeah, here it will be work like this: minimum, maximum, sum, and all the things. Okay, so here it will be work like this. And see here the graph will be content like this, the database data storage here. So how the data will be stored here and all the things. And the properties, in the properties also compute the data and all the things will be the backup the data. And in the backups the data will be happens 24 hours as well 7 days. And you can change the in the monitoring level, and you can change the data as well. Actually it will not accepting, ఎందుకంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫ్రీ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్లోనే మనకి అన్ని ఫీచర్స్ అనేది ఇవ్వలేదు. ఇన్ ద ఫ్రీ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ దే won't provide all the features here. If it is provided, I'll show you. In the notifications, we don't have any notifications here, so they don't want to raise anything. And here after that the properties, in the properties I have taken in the we have taken the before one. So public access and firewall rules and all the things we have taken here, right? So in the security purpose I have already, I didn't give enable option here, disable option only, because in the database don't want to access everyone, so limited people will access the database. So that's why in the default one I have taken disable in the status. Okay, and after that here see in the overview here the server name what I have given, Azure 121 and all the things. So here in the connection string also, this the connection string, it is help for .NET, PHP and all the ones like that, it will be accepts. Okay, so you can restore it as well in connection with in the Data Studio. And tomorrow I'll show you how to install the Azure Data Studio. Okay, so it will in the Visual Studio we are controlling into the front end part, right? And here see in the querying and editor, so in the before that I have taken one password, this one, right? So you can querying and preview it as well. I think it will not come because we don't have subscription part, I think so. We will see. It is logging. Yeah, it is happens. And you can write one query here, that will be select, we don't have any tables, I think so. Select star from table name, we don't have any system data, I'm taking here. Okay, all objects.
Ma'am, in real scenario, we get the tables or ma'am.
Yeah, in real time scenario you will get tables as well. You can write the query here itself only. Abhi.
To filter the table, we need to write queries over here.
Yes. Here see all the data, I think the data, see here, this is the system data. Actually we don't have any data here, just the system data I have printed here, all the results. And in the 15 seconds it is affected 1320 rows we have in the message part. Actually I'll take one table as well, we don't have any data here actually. Select a star from employee table name. actually we don't have this table. We'll see. So see here, the query will be failed. So why we don't have any tables? So this is the default one for seeing the query one. Okay, I think it is failed. So this is the system one I have taken. This is the default data. So how many messages we have and all the things, it will be like this. And the tables, you can add the tables here. We don't have any tables and we don't have any views. And oh, we have one view already. We have viewed this data. So what is the stored procedures here? We don't have any stored procedures here, like that. And you can save the query. You can save the query in your local system. This will be the save the query, and expose the data in the JSON object or else CSV file. I will take in the CSV file as well. You can CSV file, already it is downloaded. We will see once. See this, already we have downloaded. This is the data. Okay, this is the data. This is a system data actually. Okay, this is the not real data, this is the system data, duplicate one. So you can download it like that. And already we have taken this one, and it will be open in your SSM, I think. Okay, so this is open like this. This is a query of the data, so it will be directly connected to your SSM as well. Okay. So this is the SQL part, how to create the database using Azure. Is it clear, right everyone? To show the editors only. Wait for that.